Hello YouTube. This is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Springfield ceiling fan. I just put this fan up today. It replaced a 52-inch Emerson GE that I believe is an early north wind. This fan dates to November of 2008. I'll give you a top shot of it. The date sticker is somewhere on this fan. There it is. That's it. So yeah. So I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna first do factory speed, or I'm gonna do control speeds and then factory speeds. So here's low. Do a little boost. So honestly, this fan isn't that bad. For late 2000s Harbor Breeze, it's not that bad actually. Like, I'd probably buy one for myself. Light doesn't work. Then here is medium on the control. So pretty fast medium, honestly. Maybe if you were to put it on medium speed like this, so you get a little bit of a average medium. But it's pretty fast medium speed. And here's high. Sorry, my friend's making noises. I have to say, I'm sitting on the couch right now. It's pushing out a good amount of, it's pushing a good breeze. Very satisfied with this product. I forgot to mention that the blades are reversible to bleached oak, but they wanted a white finish in here, so why not? All right, now I'll show you guys factory speeds. Let me just turn the fan off. Set the pull chain off. Okay. And while I'm at it, while it's off, I'll show you the bleached oak side. So where is Morty? So obviously the light doesn't work, so let's put it on low. Alright, let's put it on medium. Alright, let's put it on high. My camera's going a little bit out of focus. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so I'll show you a little. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, excuse the background noises that have been mentioned in the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.